Hello everyone. Welcome to Morning English.
Let's listen and practice more and more. Let us enjoy reading this story of the wolf and the crane. Once a wolf killed a lamb and started eating it. Suddenly a piece of bone stuck in its throat. It cried out of pain and called for help. There came a crane. The wolf lured the crane that it will give lot of rewards. The greedy crane immediately agreed and removed the piece of bone with its long nose. The wolf was relieved of its pain. Then the crane asked for the rewards. The wolf laughed at the crane and said, "I have already rewarded you without biting your head. Run away from here, else I will kill you." The crane was very much disappointed and ran away to save its life.
Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel, like, comment and share with your friends.